pollutes the air we breathe, but also protects us from the searing heat and radiation emanating from our 3 stars, or suns. I find it fascinating how similar our 2 worlds truly are. They both share many wonders. You will discover more of them just ahead. Welcome to the Wonders of Xandar.
Each zone contains a Nova Civic Center, entertainment and cultural offerings, merchant shops, dining, educational campuses, medical biohouses, transportation networks, and more. All designed to provide our citizens with a better way of life.
Xandarians also travel by water. Our city boasts an extensive canal system, ranging from larger ones, which serve as the main pathways, to narrow ones, which connect citizens to residential neighborhoods. It's an efficient way to navigate Xandar. Our cultural and art centers are renowned throughout the galaxy. Xandar offers a variety of entertainment that reflects our diverse population. Our famous Galaxariums, where Xandarians go to learn about our history and culture, inspired the Galaxarian.
Like your planet, Terra, Xandar is dependent upon water for life. But differences in rank are more the same than the stars in the
There's also beauty in the design. Notice the complex geometric patterns in contrasting colors, blending the glass of the cockpit seamlessly into the metal of the rest of the ship.
The Nova Corps began with just 500 members, service Xandar's reserves. Today, we operate as a massive universal peacekeeping. As you might expect, some Corps
And I'm also the captain. Captain Leader.
I thought the leader was Star-Lord?
Yeah, we only let him think that. Don't call him Star-Lord. His close friends call him Peter J. Quill.
Noted, thank you. So, Xandar was nearly destroyed by a rogue creep which was not to honor our history. Without the Nova Corps forces and the usual allies like the Ravagers and the Guardians of the Galaxy, we would never have history. To discover more about these allies, let's return to my exclusive interview with It's not often I get to interview the most dangerous woman in the galaxy. Welcome, Gamora.
Wait, who called you that?
Peter Quill.
You mean Star-Lord?
Oh, I was told he hates that.
Oh yeah, he does. He really hates it.
So how did you Guardians end up teaming up with the Ravagers? They normally only work for themselves.
Well, no, we lied to them.
And was that part of Peter Quill's plan?
You mean the plan that didn't go according to plan? We were completely outnumbered. In the end, though, we were able to defeat the rogue creep. But we couldn't have done it without Quill.
That's right.
And here he is now. Peter Quill, what do you have to say about this?
You know, it was really a group effort to execute my plan. Thank you, Gamora.
I only said it because you told me to.
I would love to hear more about how Terra was chosen for this Wonders of Xandar tour.
Well, that was totally my idea. And EPCOT, too, because I love that place. It's awesome. I went there as a kid, and I cannot wait to get to go back and ride Horizons. Also want to see the energy, dinosaurs, and, of course, hear the veggie fruit. That is the best.
Okay, well, I'm sure it will be wonderful for you to relive all of those memories again. And it's thanks to the Guardians that Xandar is reaching out to other cultures across the galaxy. Xandar would have never survived a quick battle were it not for the intervention of this ragtag team we know as the Guardians of the Galaxy. To uncover the true story, I spoke with the captain of the crew. Peter Quill, thank you for joining me today. The leader of your group was telling me about the plan to save Xandar from the Rogue Creep.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of EPCOT, EPCOTers, EPCOTians, citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Is everyone in? Here we go! You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Interior Monarch, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What did we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. He's created a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
It's some kind of mute jump point.
He's going back to the dawn time.
Dawn time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Okay, well, what do you mean? What do you mean it's already?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, you do. You're Nova Corps to find
power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What?
There's King. Where's this King?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was King, now there's toast. This planet's making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. And I hope not, because this planet of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's still on? What did I just say? You can just tell me what I want. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out. Could this day get any worse?